So you can have the best digital product on the planet, but if nobody sees it, then it does you no good, and it's just going to sit there and collect that dust, and you're not going to make any money off of it. Hi everybody, I hope everybody is doing well today. So I wanted to come and talk about what my favorite thing, digital products, right? So PLR products and done for you products. So I've taught you guys what it is, right? Now I want to tell you how to go sell it and market it. So there's a whole strategy with done for you products, digital products, and PLR products. They just don't sell themselves. Passive income requires some work on your part. It's just not going to be created and sell itself. That's when you jump in and work your magic. That's when you go in and tell your stories, be your authentic selves, and just sell your products. You go in there and you talk about your expertise, and you start your groups, and you get on your social media, and you provide these PLR products and done for you products for sale, so that other people could then go on and redo it and just do it themselves, and it keeps on going and going and going and going. But first you have to develop branding. You have to develop a voice. You have to develop who you are, who your target customer is. It's just not going to sell itself. You're going to have to do a little bit of work, but you're posting on social media anyway. So why not use that time to make yourself some money and push your product? If you're going to post on social media, make sure you're going to get something out of it. That's just the bottom line. Especially in this economy, nobody is for sure on whether or not they're even going to have a job tomorrow. So the time to jump on this is now. And I'm not trying to be the voice of doom and gloom. I just want you to be prepared. I want you to be comfortable. I want you to be okay. But most of all, I want you to be excited about selling yourself and selling your product. People want to hear from you. So you grabbed your PLR and you're done for you products. Now what? How do you actually sell it? How do you actually sell it and start making money? If you ever bought a digital product and let it collect dust, you're not alone. That happens to a lot of us. Today, I'm going to break down the exact steps to turn those products into real income fast. Let's get into it. So you have to ask yourself, who needs this? What your niche is. And if you've already bought a done for you product, we've already gone down your niche. So you have that down pat. So once you know your audience, you know who you're selling to, the next part becomes a little bit easier. But here's a secret to selling PLR products. Not really done for you products, because done for you products is something that's done for you personally, right? But if you want to sell that done for you product as a PLR product and give somebody else the rights to sell it, this is what they have to do. If you have bought a PLR product, do not sell it as you bought it. You have to change it. Just customize the colors. You don't have to rewrite the whole thing. You can add to it. You can take away from it. Change the colors. Change the font. Put your personality and your spin into it. Make it your own, because people can tell when you're being authentic or when you're just trying to sell a product that you just don't know anything about. The goal is to make it look like your own product, so you stand out from everybody else who bought the same PLR. But if it's a done for you product, if you have purchased a done for you product from me, it is an original done for you product. But you can go ahead and sell it as a PLR product. But I want you to understand that when you're explaining it, if you're selling it as a PLR product, that the people who purchase it from you should change it. Say you have purchased a PLR product. What you have to do is open this in Canva. You're going to get a page that looks like this. You're going to say use template for new design down here. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring it into Canva. Now you have your document that you are ready to edit as your own. But say you don't like this Zen kind of stuff. Say you are more of a trippy kind of hippie boho vibe with vibrant colors and all of those kinds of things. Say this is just not your style aesthetic. So that's easy. What we're going to do is go here to Elements. We're going to click elements. And we're going to type in hippie vibes. And it's going to give us pictures and graphics of things that we can use to start to design our PLR product. So we're going to go see all. And we have a choice on all different kinds of photos that we can use. So let's try this. Self-love. I'm going to delete the original photo. We're going to take this one and we're going to stretch it. So if you want something that just has one person in it, let's see. Let's go here and see what we can pick. Now, what about that one? That one's cool. So let's erase this. And let's use this one. Self-love workbook. It's kind of a cute little trippy vibe, right? So we are going to move this up. We don't even have to keep the name Self-Love Workbook. We could just say loving myself. You don't even have to put the word workbook. You could just take that out. Loving myself. Now, if you don't like that font, say you want a little trippier font or something that matches your boho vibe, go up here to where the fonts are. And here on the side, you're going to see different kinds of fonts. And it's going to change it until you find something that you like. Let's see what has a cute boho. That's really cute. Loving myself. So if you don't like the spacing here, go up to this spacing and you play around with the spacing. And you do this. And if you wanted a little bit of an effect to bring that title out, you go to effects. Say we want neon and we want it in pink. Now that's kind of cute. So we want yellow. That's really cute. So there we have it. Loving myself. Now we can go here and start to play around with colors and fonts. So if you want to change this font, you can go and change it to the font that we just picked. Daily Planner. We'll move this here in order to tweak it a little bit and get it on the same line. And the neat thing is everywhere that you have that font, you can change it by going down here and saying change all. It's going to change that font in all of your documents. So that's kind of cool. That's a cool feature. So you don't have to, doesn't have to be so tedious. Okay. So say we want this in a different color. Here are our colors here. We want this in a nice green, or over here you're going to see document colors and you're going to see a color palette. You can most definitely play around with your color palette. And you can go ahead and change all. That's going to change all of the headings that you had into the font and into the color. Now say you want to change these colors to like a brown. Go ahead and do the same thing. A yellow with a brown outline. You can go ahead and change all. Now say you don't like that. You can go here to this arrow and click that and just change this color. And go ahead and change all. You can change it to the yellow. Now it changed everything that was that color to this yellow color. Now, so we don't like this blue. And we don't like this icon because this is no longer serving us as a theme. We don't like that palm tree. We want everything to be trippy and bright and match this aesthetic. I'm going to take this out. Say you don't want this little circle here. Take those out. And say you want this to be another color. Select all of the colors and say you want this to be a purple. Or this pretty blue. You can go ahead and do that. Now it matches our pretty colors at the top. And say you want a hippie vibe little graphic to go in the back where those little blobby circles used to be. Or you can take something like this. Let's find the right thing. You can take something like this and rearrange it so that it's on top of every one of your little call outs here. You can press on this icon, press the Option key on your computer, and you can make a copy. Or you can right click, copy and paste. And you can move it around any way that you want. Now I am customizing this to suit my style, to suit my social media presentations, to suit my brand, and to let my customers know that this product is indeed coming from me. It has my aesthetic and it has my branding stamp all over it. So we are going to go down here and we're going to change this blue color that we don't like to this color. And we're going to go and change all. It's going to change all of those colors. We're going to change this color to the pretty green. And we're going to change all. And now we have our brand colors. And if we wanted to have our little flower, you can right click, copy and paste, move it down here, and just have that little bit of a touch there. We're going to change this blue to this green, and if that's too dark, we'll change it to this green. Change all so that it matches. And we are done changing this into our own PLR. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to share. I'm going to create a template link, copy the link, and it could be copied into that separate PDF that you sent. Now we are ready to copy this template link into our own PDF page that we will send to our customers as they purchase our PLRs. And I'm going to run that by you again. So you go here to File, Create New Design, Custom Size 8.5 by 11. And we are going to go back to our elements, get our flower because she was cute and it had a nice vibe. And we can write, thank you for downloading. Here is your link to your PLR product. And you can add another heading and say access now. Now see these three dots here? We are going to click on that. We're going to click link and we're going to paste our template link in there. This now gives the customer access to that file. You can put that in the middle. You can add more information about, you can write your website down here. You can write your contact information, however it is that you want to customize this page, and you're going to share this page and download it. And this is important, page. PDF or a 2-page, or however it is that you want to design it. You want to go up here to share and you want to press download, but you are going to download it as a PDF standard, not a PDF print, not a PNG, a PDF standard. That is the only way that your customer is going to be able to access this product. Download it, and that's all you have to do. When you upload your product to whatever platform it is that you're selling, you will upload the PDF that will be linked to your product, and your customer will be able to access it upon purchase. So you can have the best digital product on the planet, but if nobody sees it, then it does you no good, and it's just going to sit there and collect that dust, and you're not going to make any money off of it. But that's where you come in. Remember, how hard you work or how little you work is going to determine the outcome of your product. So you have TikTok and you have Instagram. You have Facebook and you have YouTube. You also have Pinterest. You also have email marketing. But you have email marketing if you already have a customer base in which they provided you all of their emails, so that then you can start email marketing, which is a separate video. You should already know much about the area that you're interested in because you ordered the done for you product in that niche. So once you start talking about it and once you start gaining an audience, you can start selling this product, because it's going to come, you talking to them is going to label you as an authority on that subject. You don't have to be a polished salesman. Just tell your truth and just tell your story, and people will come. You'll get an audience and you'll get customers. The key is consistency. You can't just advertise the product once. You have to be on social media, and you have to always be talking about this product, the benefit of the products, what they can gain from getting this product, who they can teach from this product, what they can accomplish with this product, all of the many ways that this product could benefit them. So now you know exactly, you have your digital product, and I've just told you and gave you the blueprint on how to sell it. Now the rest is up to you. Stop overthinking it. Get your phone out and press record. Get your social media out and start typing those posts. Start promoting your product. And if you need posts or if you need anything else to complement that digital product, my link is down below. You can feel free to reach out to me and I will be happy to provide those for you. So the best time is now. Don't wait. Drop a comment below if you're ready to launch your first digital product. I know you can do this. Until the next video, guys. Bye.